So to talk a little bit about those scenarios of a startup and why this could really be a game changer for them, because they don't get hung up in all that admin type and other types of software that takes forever to put in and work versus someone who's trying to turn the ship.
Right. And so you're working with those bigger companies. They have those traditional systems in place. They've already spent a lot of time. They've already spent a lot of money. They have one way they do things. They have thousands of people. So it's a little bit different for them. They're kind of stuck, and it's going to take a lot more time and effort and energy to rip that out and adopt a new tool. For startups, they need to move fast. They don't have time to build up their technical foundation by implementing multiple tools. They need to iterate quickly. If they get a funding event and they have a customer that's going to order thousands of parts, components, assemblies, they need to get up and running as quickly as possible. And then if an iteration comes in, they need to make sure they get that design change out on the floor as quickly as possible. And then if they're we call them runs for the company that I work for, but if they're in the middle of an assembly process, and then an engineer goes, actually, there's something wrong, we need to fix this right away. In order to take that from an ERP to an MES and get the right people involved and get all these different approvals, it's almost impossible to do that. And so if they're bringing in something relative to kind of this new age of manufacturing with an operating system, they're able to say, okay, we have this design change. We're going to get it up to the shop floor right away. We're going to connect all the dots through just the part level and the part number. And then we're going to connect that straight to the digital work instruction. And it makes it a lot easier. And they don't have to do any intense IT projects to make that happen.